Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check liked comments on Instagram. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that we can find any post and let's go to comments. And here you can see that this comment was liked by one person, and we can click on this button and find who liked this comment. And that's all. This is very easy way to do this. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.